Hello everyone. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you guys can simply check your computer driver date. If you like to update, I'll also show you how you can update that as well. So first things you want to do, just type and go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, Display Adapter, right click this and the Properties. In Details, in Property drop down, you want to find the driver date. So this is the driver date. So if you like to update this, what you can do, update the driver. Okay, and this will automatically update um, your driver. Okay, hope this video will help. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.